Welcome back everybody to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and tonight I'm here in Louisville, Colorado, and we are here at Tilt Pinball. This is a really cool old style pinball arcade. They have all kinds of pinball machines, and we get to tiny whip it. I also brought along my Cinewhoop that I'm going to be doing a little bit of Cinewhoop footage for the owner, so that's going to be very cool too. So we're going to get doing some tiny whip racing, so hope you guys enjoy.